Hi, welcome to Uber Sharp. Today I'm sharpening surgical scissors. This is a Metz scissor named after Dr. Metzenbaum, and it's designed for delicate tissue. And this is a Mayo scissor, which is commonly referred to as a suture scissor. Now, every time the doctor uses a suture needle, it's going to leave an indentation at a cutting edge. So it's extremely important when sharpening surgical scissors that you know the proper angle to sharpen at and to sharpen all the imperfections out of that cutting edge. This is a perfect example of imperfections in the cutting edge. I don't know if you can see it from that angle, but I'm going to highlight it in red on here. Completely gone. You see the bird coming off the edge? Perfect. Check all the scissors and make sure they're cutting properly. Nice. Nice. Perfect. Beautiful. These are ready to ship back. If you want your cutting instruments sharpened and maintained the correct way, then call Uber Sharp today. 941-806-8321, or use our new drop-off location. It's the Hairstyling Center at 3700 Weber Street. The Hairstyling Center at 3700 Weber Street. Thank you very much.